lights out, die with my own doubts.
Hey you guys, welcome back to our channel. Today is Wednesday, August, what's today's date, babe? Today we are going to be running a few errands. We are going to go to the bank, then we're going to go to another bank. And then we are going to go grocery shopping.
And then we're gonna go to the park.
We are gonna go to the park so that they can practice playing soccer.
Because we're gonna be playing soccer.
Yep. So yeah, come along with us today, guys. Let's go. I was trying to place the order this morning for grocery pickup at Walmart, and for some odd reason they did not have anything available, any time slots available. So that's telling me that we might be going back to our old ways, because I know like when COVID first started, there was like literally no slots available for grocery pickup, and now y'all know the numbers are like surging and whatnot. So I don't know, I feel like people are starting to order like a lot of people are starting to order their groceries and do grocery pickup and stuff again because of the pandemic. Look at my children.
No.
Can y'all say hey to the vlog? Why are you smelling like that? Say hey to the vlog, guys.
Hey. Play.
Alright, y'all, so I brought my little planner with me. This is actually out of date, honestly. Yeah, this is a planner from last year, but I'm gonna use it to make a grocery list. I have not went grocery shopping in stores like in a little minute, like full-fledged grocery shopping, but I am going to just sit in the car while we ride around and make my little grocery list. Well, he was falling back.
No,
Him sweepy, look out. He is knocked out. I done just left everything in the van. Let's go this way, Chloe. You like that, babe? Yeah. We need a TV. We need a TV. 77-inch. Look how clear this is. I got my meal list. These are $19.99. This is where we can store snacks and stuff.
Snacks.
Get one of these. Excuse me. Logan, babe, you have to buckle him up. What are we doing? Uh-oh. Sister, can you come pick up brother's shoe? Oh, you are such a great big brother. Helping. Let me see.
Hey. I buckled you up. Okay. I want to get some cereal. So we are at Costco. We're getting a lot of stuff for our house because it's a lot of us. I want to turn it around.
Excuse me. Excuse me, Cody.
I can help.
Alright. Babe, I wanted to look at the deep fryers just to like, you know, just to look at them. You know? What was that? Salmon. We need some salmon.
What are all of these salmon?
Okay. Okay then.
with ease.
Okay.
Daddy.
Yeah. Alright, we need some ground beef. Why are you making that face, honey? I love to say. Yeah, they do. These are my favorite kind of wings, y'all, because they're not so big. Love them. $25.75. These are grass-fed strips. They're not very big though. $17.99. Alright, so since we're here, I'm gonna get some Parmesan cheese. No, we do not. This is $9.70. I think I'm gonna get this one. That is $8.99. This one is $8.99. I don't want that kind of cheese. Alright, I'm gonna get some of this goat cheese. I love goat cheese. So yummy. This is $6.89. This brisket looks so good. This is called the burnt wings. Yeah. That's kind of like the Carolina. You want to get it to put in the freezer? Okay.
Oh, it's beef.
What you mean?
Maybe. Yeah.
What, you thought it was pork?
Yeah, I thought it was. Yeah.
Okay. $9.59.
No, 15.
Oh, 15. Okay. Price per pound. I read that so wrong. So this is $15. Okay. We got salmon, chicken wings, steak. We need ground beef. Look at this New York shrimp.
Oh,
yeah, that's a lot. Alright, so this is the ground beef. This is the chuck. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna get my ground beef from Walmart. I'm gonna get my ground beef from Walmart. I like the chuck ground beef because it just tastes better. I do. I can tell the texture. It's like a difference in the texture. So, but this is $3.99 a pound. I like the chuck. It's a difference. It really is a difference. We're gonna get some bananas. Okay, we'll get those when we come back out here. Okay. Oh, this asparagus just looks skimpy. Oh, every time I get these big things of spinach, I always waste them.
yeah.
Did you want to pick them out? That one is open.
Put yellow.
$10.99. Here. I found the blackberries. They don't look very juicy. $5.49. They don't look right. Oh, that. Usually they have like way bigger packs, but hold on, back up. I'm trying to find a good pack. $5.49. All right, I'm gonna get some of these cucumbers. These are the long English cucumbers. They are $5.99. Ooh, I'm gonna get some of these peppers too. These are $6.99 for these. I wonder if they have the baby bell peppers. Those are green.
We can wait for your tango.
You mean yellow?
Yeah, yellow, yeah.
They're only $1.39.
Some of them are also yellow.
Okay, we'll get some bananas.
Yeah!
Okay, let's get one more thing of bananas too.
These are
Look, those are bruised.
the
Bruised. Oh Lord, y'all see them cookies right here? These cookies look delicious. I'm gonna walk past them cookies. Oh, it's more cherries. How much was the cherries that we got? 10 something? Okay, I need some oranges for the kids. Like those. We're gonna get these right here. Yep, that's $7.99. Let's check them out. Make sure they're good.
And they smell good.
Yep, I think they're good. All right, we have lots of fruit, guys.
That's a fruit.
Let's go to the bread section. Ooh, what about some kiwi, guys? $8.99. I feel like this is cheaper at Walmart.
We need apples. No, what in the world is
$8.99 for this. Sometimes the ugliest fruit be the best fruit. We're gonna try these ones. They pick these out. Oh my goodness. The Hawaiian rolls. Watch out. These are only $5.39. Alright, this bread is $4.29 for 2 loaves. Good deal. Alright. These were really good. These are $8.99. They are not on sale, but super yummy. That's the same one that I got, the stir fry one. Yeah, I thought it was a rat up in there.
supposed to be in here? Why is it first in here?
This look like some little bougie. Is that glass? That look like some little bougie stuff, man.
Gold medal.
That would be
Is that
grown.
apple juice?
Yes, that would be grown people apple juice right there. Can't nobody touch it. Do y'all want Kool-Aid jammers, or do y'all want honest kids? Thanks, babe. All right, here are some French fries. These are like the fast food fries. These do kind of look like McDonald's. They do kind of look like McDonald's fries.
McDonald's fries.
Yeah. Nah. These are like the only fries that I see here. I wonder if they have more French fries. Cody, I'm gonna slide these right here, okay? Alright. Those are $6.59 for that big bag of fries. 6 pounds. Okay. You just couldn't grab that one, could you? Not. Alright, that is $8.49. You wanna go down this aisle, girls?
Why does the cheese have to be in there?
We need butter. Landon, can you get me some butter out of here? Just 1 box. Do I want to get this kind of butter?
This butter.
How many is in there? Yeah, that'll be fine. Yep. $11.99 for that box. Hey, there is like 1 box of Go-Gurts down there.
So what?
I said it's like 1 box of Go-Gurts randomly sitting somewhere, and I just don't trust it. This is the only begotten box of yogurt. Don't throw it. Here, no. Put it right here. Right here. I don't know how much this is. Did it have a price? Yeah. Exactly. It was just in there. These are on sale for $6.99, guys. These Go-Gurts are... Oh, they're on sale. $3 and $2. Oh, these are $4.49. I'm getting 2 boxes of these. $4.49. Here, Dallas. We're gonna rack up on these slightly. There you go. Put them down here. Chloe, put them right here. Yeah, they're on sale for $4.49. All right, Bacon. We need some bacon. We need some bacon. This way, guys. Landon, stop. Alright, we're gonna get some.
This one? Let's get this.
Nope, we're gonna get this right here.
I want to put that basket.
This is like tiny.
I want to put it.
So this is $11.99. We're gonna get this ready-made bacon. They have went completely up on these. But we're gonna get two. We're gonna get two packs of the ready-made bacon. What's wrong? Are you on the phone? Are you on the phone? So $15.49 times 2. They changed the brand. Yeah. Look at the date, August 23rd. I'm sorry, come on, Chloe. These are on sale, $5.59. The kids like to snack on these. Comes with 2 bags. Can you carry it to the basket? You got it? Good job. You found the perfect spot for that. Thank you, Chloe. I'm still shopping around. Dave's down there with the kids. $5.99. Get a pack of these raviolis. Hi guys. Look what I'm about to get, guys. Look what I'm about to get. 18 boxes.
Macaroni.
This is. Oh, these are $9.99. Crazy pieces. You got it?
Yeah.
Such a gentleman.
Get some more.
Wow. So that's $4 instant savings on that. It's $9.99. Where you gonna put it, Logan? I mean, Landon. Maybe right here?
Under here.
Hmm. Alright. What else? What else? What else? I did get some of those.
Yay!
Thank you.
How are you? We've been nasty.
Y'all excited about those? You excited about these?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. All right, guys, we are back. We are back in the van. I feel like I have something on my camera, but I can't quite put my hands on it. But so yeah, we spent $400 and some odd in the store at Costco. Got quite a few items. Oh, I gotta fix your hair because you messed it up. anyways, we are now at TJ Maxx because my husband had to use the bathroom. But and he, you know how Costco is set up, you kind of have to like jump through loops and hoops to get to where you need to go and all of that stuff. So he was just like, I don't feel like walking all the way through there, blah blah blah, whatever. He didn't want to leave me hanging at Costco. I told him to go ahead and go to the bathroom, but he didn't want to listen. And so yeah, now we're here at TJ Maxx. I still have to go get some ground beef. I think I'm gonna wait till the day that I decide to cook the things that ground beef is needed for. So
Get some in the oven.
yeah, I'm gonna wait to go back to the store and get that because I don't need it tonight, you know what I'm saying? So I'm trying to like set y'all up in like a decent angle. So while he is in there, I am going to scan my receipts. I'm going to scan my receipt on my Fetch Rewards app. I will be sure to leave my link down below in the description box for you guys. If you are new to this, if you've never heard of this before, Fetch Rewards is a app that basically gives you points that can be redeemed for gift cards to your favorite retailers and stuff like that. When you sign up, like right now they have a complete any receipt for 300 points. I'm going to scan this receipt and hope that some of the name brands on here gives me like a little bonus. Right now they have a little promo. Actually, they've been having this going on for a very long time. Earn up to 50,000 points to like if you scan a receipt that has Huggies brand on it, and like literally you only need like 5,000 points to get a $5 gift card to Target. Y'all know I love Target. They got free Starbucks gift cards on here. They got all types of different, and you can scan any receipt. Fast food like McDonald's, gas station receipts, any receipts that you have, you can scan it on the app to earn points to redeem for gift cards. So let's see how many points I get for this receipt. I know I'm gonna get at least, hold on, I know I'm gonna get at least 300 points because they have this right here. I'm gonna show you. There you go. Scan any receipt, earn 300 points. So here we go. You just pretty much snap a picture of your receipt. And basically all they need to capture is the store, the amount that you paid, and the date. They need to be able to see that on your receipt for it to go through. Let's see how many points we get. 389 points. Nice. I got an additional 44, well really 88 points for the Go-Gurt Yo Plate that I got. So yay. So if you want to join this rewards program, be sure to use my link to sign up and join. And don't forget to scan your receipts. Come on, honey. Honey, bring the fruits. Bring the fruits. Bring the fruits. Thanks, babe. Here's the bag. You want to get some more groceries, Logan? Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go get some more groceries. You gonna take them in the house? Yes. Okay. Let's see. Come here. Oh, they might be too heavy for you, bubs. Uh-oh. You okay? I dropped the bananas. I dropped the bananas. Alright, you guys, so we just got back home from Costco. I just kind of wanted to share with you guys like just a brief rundown of what we got from the store, although I did show you guys most of what we got when we were at the store. So I'm just going to do this really quick. Some of the items you may not have seen me grab while we were at Costco. So I did already put the salmon. I put the salmon and the steak. So we got some salmon, New York strip steak. That's the grass-fed New York strip steak. That's in the refrigerator. I got a pack of the party wings. I got a box of the frosted mini wheat cereal. Comes with 2 bags in this box. The kids really like to snack on these sometimes. Also got some of the Idahoan buttery home-style mashed potatoes. I got some of these sweet peppers. I grabbed some of this Kinder's seasoning. This is the lemon pepper seasoning. Although I feel like we had lemon pepper, I just wanted to grab it just to make sure, because I did not want to have to come back out and get it. Also, I got some of this peel apart little candy snack. It has 30 pouches in it. The kids would enjoy that, I'm pretty sure. Grab some oranges, blackberries, raspberries, some English cucumbers. Grab some bananas that are not yet ripe. Got this thing of kiwis. Got some cherries. Got 2 things of the 2-pound strawberries. Grab some of these different looking mangoes. This is the 6 counts. I'm pretty interested to see how that is going to taste, because I love mangoes. I also got some of this apple juice. I really got it because the bottles are so cute. Also got some white flesh peaches, 18-count Kraft macaroni and cheese. The kids have really been enjoying the Kraft macaroni and cheese. So, and it's been super easy, super quick to make for them. I got this pack of the Nature's Own bread, y'all, and it was only, the bread was only like 4 something, so not bad at all. And also the kids have been enjoying their turkey and cheese sandwiches on these like little slider rolls. I also got these Rice Krispie treats. They have the birthday cake sprinkles and the Oreo cookies and cream. I also got a box of the Chef Boyardee variety pack. It has the lasagna, the ravioli, the beef ravioli, spaghetti and meatballs, and beefaroni. Logan actually likes that. I also got this bag of Normandy veggies. I'm gonna go ahead and pop those in the freezer. A box of the Eggo waffles, homestyle waffles. I also got a box of the apple pouches, applesauce pouches. They have apple banana, apple cinnamon, apple strawberry, and apple. Comes with 28 pouches in this box. Also got this pack of deli meat for the kids' lunches. So that should last us for quite some time. And then I also got this pack of Kerrygold butter. I got a huge block, y'all know I love my block, of Parmesan cheese, the Belgioso. I also got some heavy whipping cream, 2 packs of the ready-made bacon, and I also got the 2 packs of the mixed berry and strawberry Go-Gurts. These were only like $4 and some change. Comes with 32 things of yogurt in a pack. I let the kids help me bring the groceries in, and they had the barbecue sauce. They had the barbecue sauce sitting in the homeschool space. I almost forgot to show you guys. We also got some of the Pirates Booties, white cheddar, aged white cheddar little snacks. The kids really enjoy these. It comes with 40 bags, 40 half-ounce lunch bags, and the kids really enjoyed them. We are definitely missing the juices. Oh, I was about to say, we forgetting something. Landon has the juices. You need help, Landon? I was about to say, I know we got some juice boxes. Bring them up here. You got it? You're so strong. You are so strong. Look at you. Good job, Land. Good muscles. Come on. So we also got some Honest Kids juice boxes. Look at that muscle man. Look at that muscle man. Look at that muscle. You tired? You tired, man?
I want water.
You want some water? Okay. Thank you for bringing those in for me. I want to say that is all we got. Oh, And I also got 2 packs of the kitchen, this little set here. It's the 4-piece kitchen bin set. I'm going to try to like organize my refrigerator using these items, and we're gonna see how these work. Probably won't record myself doing it. I actually did record myself doing it, y'all. Stay tuned. I kind of like need to clean my refrigerator out, but I will show you guys the finished products, whether that be today or tomorrow. Y'all will see.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We don't ever need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I. Singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside. Gonna do it while we're young. In a moment it will all be gone. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Someday we will look back, and our hearts will be whole again. I want to remember all that happened to us. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Oh yeah, oh yeah. This summer night, this summer night. Oh, this summer night.
Won't you sing out your frustration? Just say a word. Keep on staring at the pavement. God knows who hurt. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls. 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. And even if the sky was falling down, you never noticed anyone around. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. But I told you. so shy when it comes to you, but I can't.